Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Microsoft Xbox Elite Series 2 core controller, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use this Xbox controller. So let's start. The first tip is about how to connect this controller with your PC. So first of all, you have to press this button to turn it on. So I will press it and now you can see it is turned on and this light start blinking. The next step is you have to press this pairing button with these symbols. Okay, so you just have to press it for like 3 seconds and then you will see the light will start blinking more faster. Now what you have to do, you have to go on your PC and then just go into the settings. So here settings icon, I just selected. Once you enter into the settings, you have to select this Bluetooth and devices option. So I will show you. So here is the Bluetooth and devices. I will just select it. Now here what you have to do, first of all you have to turn on your Bluetooth. So here you can see currently it is turned off, so I will turn it on. Now the next step is you see this option of add device. Just select it. Once you select it, here you see this option of Bluetooth. Just select it. Once you select it, it will start scanning the devices. Okay, and here it is showing you the Xbox wireless controller. Just select it. Once you select it, it start connecting your PC with your controller, and here now you can see it is connected. Then you have to press done, and here you can see it is showing over here your Xbox wireless controller is now connected with your PC. The next tip is about these joystick heads. So guys, you can easily remove and replace these heads. So here you can see they are magnetically attached, so you can easily replace them. The next thing is it comes with a tool. So here is this tool. So now you can use this tool to adjust the tension on these joysticks. So here you can see I can easily insert it like this and I can lose it or I can make it tight. So now you can see I can easily change the position, okay, with this tool, and if you want you can make it tight or loose according to your needs. Once you finish, you can just put these heads back, okay, like this, and then you can play your game. The next tip is about these rear buttons. Okay, so here you can see there are two buttons. So basically these buttons are related to these triggers. Okay, so for example currently it is at the higher position, so it means this trigger will go all the way down like this. So this will be helpful in racing games, but if you want you can adjust it. So what you have to do, you can just put it like this, okay, in the middle position or at the last position. So once you put it at the last position, and now if you try to use this trigger, so here you can see it will not go all the way down. So this will be helpful in shooting games. Okay, so you can adjust both these left and right triggers. Okay, so for example I put it here in the middle, and now here you can see this will go here till this point, and then if I select it at the last point, it will just move till this position. So this will be helpful in shooting games. The next tip is about how to configure this controller. So guys, first of all you have to install an app in your PC. Name of the app is Xbox Accessories. So what you have to do, you have to go into your Microsoft Store, and once you enter into your Microsoft Store, you have to type the name of the app is Xbox Accessories. So here I just selected, and here you can see this is the app. Now what you have to do, you have to just install it. Okay, once you finish the installation, you can configure your Xbox controller. You can remap all your buttons. You can also change this light color. Now it is installed, and now I will open it. So here you can see you can just select this next option. Okay, and then what you have to do, again you have to select next. Okay, again next, and then once you select the profile, you can just select it like this. So once you select it, it will show you like this. The next step, what you have to do, you have to connect your Xbox to your PC. Once you connect it, you can select any profile and you can customize each profile, and in those profile you can customize and remap your buttons as well. The next tip is about charging of this controller. So guys, it comes with this type C cable. So what you can do is you can plug here on this side, okay, like that. So you can plug it, and then on the other side you can plug it to your charger. Okay, so I will just plug it, and it will take 2 to 3 hours of charging. The next thing is it will give you 40 hours of battery life when you use it wirelessly without a headset. The next tip is about this D-pad. So guys, this is a removable D-pad. So here you can see I can just take it out like this, and then you can change it as well, but you have to buy it separately. So it comes with only this D-pad. So if you want to put it back, you can just put it like this and it will attach magnetically. So here you can see you can use all of these functions. The next tip is about connecting this Xbox controller with your Android phone. So first of all, you have to turn it on by pressing this button. So now it is turned on. Now again you have to press this pairing button. So here is this button. So you just press and hold it for like 2 seconds, and then here you will see the light start blinking more faster. Now what you can do on your Android phone, you have to turn on your Bluetooth. Okay, so I will just scroll down, and here you see this option of Bluetooth. You just press and hold it like this, and here first of all you have to turn it on, and once you turn it on, it start scanning. So here you can see it is now showing the Xbox wireless controller. Just select it, and once you select it, it will ask you to pair. So you just select this pair option, and here it will start pairing this Xbox controller with your phone. And now here you can see the Xbox wireless controller is now connected with your phone. The next tip is about this profile button. So if I press this middle button, it will select the first profile. If I press it again, it will select the second profile, and here if I press it again, it will select the third profile. So here you can see these lights will indicate about the profile. So this is how you can select the profile. The next tip is about how to turn off your Xbox controller. So what you have to do, you have to press and hold this button, this X button, for 5 seconds. So I will press and hold it like this. Okay, and now you will see it will turn off after 5 seconds. So here you can see now the light is off, and now you can see it is turned off. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.